Welcome to BITE, where we enable businesses to confidently and precisely navigate the intricate world of international trade. Today, we'll demonstrate how BITE's cutting-edge features ensure compliance and reduce risks through a real-world example. Imagine you're a U.S. manufacturer and you're shipping a diode with HS code 854110 to Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a known transshipment point, so it is worthwhile to do a bit of additional due diligence on the product you're shipping and the company you're shipping to. We'll look at the relevant HS code 854110 in the BITE screening module. Clicking over to the Commodities tab, I'll type in the HS code. Upon viewing the results, we can see that the HS code is subject to multiple controls, including the high priority battlefield items, which is put out jointly by the EU, US, UK, and Japan. Awareness of such regulations is crucial for compliance and avoiding penalties. This HS code also appears on the other control lists, including the EU's dual-use TARIC list, the U.S. Department of Commerce's Russian industry sector sanctions list, and the EU restrictive measures applying to Russia, listed as a semiconductor device when we open up that record and take a look inside. Now, taking a deeper look at the company we're trading with, Hong Kong Chipline, a Hong Kong-based electronics distributor. In this case, I'll go ahead and save the results of my search as a ticket in my analytics vault. Hong Kong Chipline returns one hit on the BITE list, and upon opening the results, we can take a deeper look into why this hit occurred. In this case, the entity was seen shipping high-priority battlefield items, including the HS code in question and the product that we're exporting, to a sanctioned Russian entity. Here, I'll take a note of what the tax ID is for that Russian entity for future use. And as a note, the BITE list offers an additional layer of compliance risk mitigation through AI analysis, providing insights into connections that might not yet appear on official radars. This includes second and third tier entities identified as doing business with sanctioned parties. All entries are peer-reviewed by our subject matter experts, and this list provides unique insights not available elsewhere. Lastly, to enhance my due diligence process, I'll ask BITE GPT about Hong Kong Chipline, the HS code in question, and the Russian entity's tax ID that I noted previously, just to be thorough. Using BITE GPT, you can search the internet or the data within BITE. Going through this process helps me to verify that the data I found during my initial search was accurate and complete. And then finally, I can take the output and save it to my ticket. So let me go ahead and write in my prompt. I want to write a summary of the risk associated with trading with the company Hong Kong Chipline. The commodity is HS code 8541.10. The results take a few seconds to return, but it does keep me updated on what it's doing as it's making its search. As you can see, the response is quite extensive. The results continue to validate what I found in my manual search, as well as begin to show a network of entities that are connected to our denied Russian party and list other entities on the BITE list that are associated with that same entity. And then it goes into the risk associated with the commodity and pulls it all together into a nice summary paragraph. And like I said, I can copy this and save it to the ticket that I made during my initial screening search. I open up the ticket in the Analytics Vault. I click Edit, Add Comment, paste my response there, update, and now I have that for my due diligence and audit trail. This demonstration shows just a fraction of BITE's capabilities. By centralizing and simplifying the screening process, BITE saves you time and helps you stay ahead of your compliance challenges. If you're ready to take control of your trade compliance, join us on BITE. Explore more at bitedata.io.